Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my brows. So this is how to achieve a natural brows, okay? The product I'm going to be using today for my brows is Benefit Cosmetics brow product, and I'll put the link in the description box, okay? A lot of my popping queens love my brows, and they always comment in the comment section like, I love the way you do your brows, I love the way you do your brows. And I think a lot of people actually is finding it really difficult to do their brows, because brows is what makes your makeup actually look good. If your brows is good, your makeup is gonna look good, okay? If your brows is bad, your makeup is not gonna look good. I'm telling you this. And also, some people like their brows really thick, others love natural brows, okay? So today, I'm just gonna be showing you how I do my brows. I did not use concealer, and I don't use concealer most of the time, especially when I'm doing my brows on my own self. So this is my brows, okay? Take a good look. Do you like it? I know you love it, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you how I achieve this perfect, beautiful, natural brows, if I can say that myself. Natural, simple brows, and it's effortless, and it's very easy to achieve. Very easy, okay? So let's get started. As you all can tell in all of my videos, I have been loving Benefit brow products, okay? So here I have the brow styler, and I have the Precisely my brow pencil, and this one is the brow setter, 24 hours brow setter. I love this so much, just like a gel. So it's clear. When you use it to set your brows stays put. The reason why I love Benefit Cosmetics brow product is because when I use them for my brows, they last all day. When I use it all my clients as well, they don't rub off. Like if I'm doing gelling, let's say for instance I do the makeup, the brows, I know the Nigerian gelling, sometimes it can fall over your brows. It doesn't clean, okay? I love it so much, especially when I even set with this one. So that's what we're going to be using, Benefit brow pencil. Let me use this one. This one is called Precisely brow pencil, and I'm using the shade 4.5. 4.5 is that shade where it's not too dark and it's not too brown, okay? So that's what I'm using. If you're doing your brows on your skin without powder, foundation, anything at all, you set your brows, okay? You set your brows properly. In my own case, I've already applied my foundation, powder, and everything, but I will still set, okay? This is how I do it. I set. You can use a translucent powder. You don't draw your brows on what? A moisturized skin. It's going to slide away. Your pencil is going to be sliding when you're drawing your brows. So therefore, set. So your brows comes out really nice and precise, okay? This pencil is called Precisely my brows because it actually makes your brows comes out really precise. And this is it. Okay, another thing I love about this Benefit brow pencil is because, look, you have this, okay, this pulley, and then your pencil. So this is how you do it. You use this part first and you comb your brows. Make sure you comb your brows and make sure your brows is sitting properly, like so and like so, all nice and combed, okay? Little like so. Don't bring it out too much so it doesn't break. And then you start. I always start like so. Small strokes at a time. Small strokes at a time. Okay? Do you see that? Nice. One stroke underneath. And I'm going to do this part as well. I love Benefit brow pencil. This is nice. Wow. So this one, as you can tell, this is longer than this one. So I'm going to extend this one a little bit more. Let's see. I think it's the same. Yeah. This is the first step. Go slowly, no rushing, relax, and then draw your brows. Little stroke, little stroke at a time. Another tips is this. I need to tell you guys this. When you're drawing your brows, always keep in mind, do not have in mind, yes, that, oh, I can draw my brows anyhow and I will just use concealer to correct it. Draw your brows like you're not going to use concealer at all. That is how you achieve a perfect brows. Years ago, I never used to I used to draw my brows with the intention like that I'm going to use concealer to correct it. Something happened that changed my life, my brow game. I start drawing my brows like I will not use concealer at all. Even though I go back and use concealer to just make it pop, I always draw it. In my mind, I have it at the back of my mind that I'm drawing these brows like I'm not going to use concealer at all. So this is what you will thank me later. When you're drawing your brows tomorrow after watching this video, just draw it like you're not going to use concealer, like you're not going to use anything to correct it, and you will see your brow game will improve. So that's why I always do. This is why when I draw my brows, it looks like I'm not going to use concealer, because that's all I always keep in mind. Then I start drawing the top and I do this. So when I get here, watch what is going to happen. Do you see that line? Okay, let me do the other one just so you know. Okay, another thing I did not tell you guys. When I'm drawing my brows, I already know the shape I'm going to draw, if that makes sense. So when you're drawing your brows, you already know which shape you're going for. Like now, I'm going for the round down, round up shape. Okay? So I already know that's the shape I want. I don't guess when I'm drawing the brows. I don't guess like, okay, let me draw it however it falls. I already know. So I'm drawing it the shape I want it to be. Even when I'm doing my client's makeup, if I see your face, I already know, okay, I'm going to go for the square or I'm going to go for the round. I already know before I even start. So now when you get here, it's always good to stop. Then you continue. Because this is where the shape is actually going to fall. So it goes and you join it here. Do you see that? So like I say, this is this one. This is the point where you actually, see? Remember I was going like this. So this is the point where you actually go down depending on the shape you're going for. If you're going for the shape that goes like this, so this is the point where you go like this, like sharp. But because I'm going for the round, even though I'm not doing the sharp, this is where the magic happens, right there. So you can tell, it's already looking beautiful. Like I said, I'm going for the round shape. Now the next one. Again, here is your highest point. Right there is where the magic happens. Okay? Do you see that? Easy peasy, very easy. You just have to know that magic point where you relax and know, like, okay, this is where the shape is going to form. And this is why I did half and half. So you know where the magic happens. A lot of people don't know where the magic happens. And this is why the brow shape doesn't come out right. Because it just go like anyhow. So when you go here, first of all, draw this line, stop. Some people actually go right here before the magic happens. So that's my word, magic happens. But that's the point where you actually shape the brows, right there. So when you go, some people go straight and then come down here. Some people actually, the magic actually happens for some people here. But in my own case, I go down, then the magic happens. sometimes I go over to intensify. Okay, I go over to intensify the brows. So this is literally how to draw your brows. This is nice. Okay, I'm not coming forward. I just intensifying. Okay, let me see. Here, I might want to say, okay, I want to come out a little bit more. Okay, if your nose is flat like my nose, okay, it's always good not to make your brows like wide. If they are far apart, your face is even going to be like basket, okay, flat like fry pan, and your nose is even going to be flatter. So now, as you can tell, brows are on flick, flick. So you start feeling, I feel from the end here. So I walk my way in, I start from here, and I go. Can you see? Let me turn here. So I feel in. Yeah. As you can tell, filled in. Again, I feel in. So as you can tell, you can see the ends are darker. So now here, I'm just going to brush. At the end, I went boom with my pencil. My hands are really strong and firm. But now, I'm just going to loosen my hands. I'm not going to go like very thick or heavy. See? Not as thick as I did with the ends. So that's how I'm going to do here. Not as thick. Again, not as thick as I did. When you're doing the end, you make sure your hands are really firm. Like really firm. And now I'm here. When I get here, I'm doing strokes. So I'm doing 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3, 4. You see? Strokes. Then I'm doing strokes again here. 1 stroke, 2 stroke. You see? Strokes. I need to do 1 more stroke here. As you can tell, there's 1 stroke that needed here. Right there. That's the one. That's the stroke. Think now. So, you are, I think this stroke needs to go a little bit longer. Yes. So, if you want, you can go a little bit more stroke into even the middle part, but sometimes I don't really do this. But you can go like boom, 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 just so the strokes continue. Even though no one is going to see the stroke as much as you're going to see the stroke in the beginning, it actually helps to make it nice. Okay, so that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see my brows. They look nice. Nice, natural, very simple. Like this, if I'm doing makeup for Beyonce, Queen Bee, my sister. Yes, she's my sister. Or Carrier. If I'm doing makeup for my sister, Queen Beyonce, I will not use concealer, okay? Because not everyone loves concealer under their brows. I've done makeup for a lot of clients and they're like, please, I don't want concealer under my brows, please. And I'm like, okay, thank you. You made my job easier. Okay, but if you're working on some people, you would definitely use concealer under the brows. So this is my brows. Nice and natural. And I don't need to conceal it, okay? I don't need to conceal my brows. And we need to actually embrace doing our brows with our concealer. So This is my brows for you. Yes, using Benefit Cosmetics brows products. Okay, and you can use this to set if you want to set. Okay, just for extra hold, you can just go. It's clear, by the way, so it's just clear, and you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Just use it on the brows. Yeah, see, I just don't take it right to the front. If you have a lot of bushy hair, you can take it right to the front, but I just use it just there. Okay, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is my brows done. Okay, let me know what you think about my brows. A lot of people always tell me they love my brows. If you love my brows, please share this video. Please comment down below. Please give me a big thumbs up. A lot of people will like these brows because many people love natural brows these days, because a lot of people are actually tired of this concealer on the brows, conceal. Okay, and there are some people that you will never use concealer under their brows. The only thing some people might use is shimmer. Some celebrities go right under when their makeup artists do their makeup. I think Rihanna uses a little bit of shimmer, like underneath, just there, just to make it pop. Nothing serious, okay? But this is it. No concealer, nothing, just nothing, just your brows. My Benefit Cosmetics brow pencil. I know you guys have been looking like, okay, you need Benefit Cosmetics brow pencil in your life. They have a lot of shades. They have shades for every complexion. So the one I use today is 4.5, okay? This one is another one, but this one is like this, okay? I use this a lot when I want to fill the edge because it's really thick, and I don't use it's just very thick, and I can just go boom on the end. But yes, this is it for me and Benefit Cosmetics brow product. Link to Benefit Cosmetics, to this product that I use, I'll put them in the description box, or you can just Google Benefit Cosmetics UK, US, anywhere you are, and then you can order it online and they will ship it to you. Okay, that's it. If you're United Kingdom and you are looking for a mobile hairdresser, a mobile makeup artist, okay, to come to you anywhere in the United Kingdom, you can check on Mobile Afro Hairdressers and Beauty.com.